So, Yameena, here's another question from our viewer who's asking that how can one apply for restoration or continue working while trying to find a new employer?
This is a really common situation that I see, and the best thing I can advise is to please find the new employer before your current work permit expires. So the new employer can apply for the new LMIA well in advance of your work permit expiring, and so that you can apply for the new work permit well in advance of your current work permit expiring. That is best practice, and that is what we do at our law firm. What I have seen some clients do is submit empty work permit application. So, for example, if their work permit is expiring today and they do not have a valid LMIA, they do not have a valid LMIA exempt job offer, they will just submit an empty work permit application to buy themselves some time to remain in maintained status. They know that work permit application will be refused once it is actually reviewed by an officer because it's an empty application, but they're hoping that they'll stay in maintained status while it's being processed. And this way, at least they're hoping they have enough time to apply for a valid LMIA or a valid LMI exempt job offer. At our law firm, we don't do this because it would look really bad on our reputation to be submitting work permit applications that we know will be rejected. But this is something that I have seen people do on their own as well, is submit empty applications to stay in maintained status until the application is processed.
That's right. And that's very well put up. Thank you so much, Amina, for taking up this comment. And I'm sure this comment, the answer will be helpful for our viewer. So thank you so much for your answer.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI support.